welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Have you had a time this summer, okay, with your fragrances? But have you ran into fragrances that just didn't work out for you this summer, okay? So that's what this video is about. Fragrances that did not, for one reason or the other, work out for me for this summer. So let's get into it. So the first fragrance I want to bring up to you all is one that I really love, but it's been really hot, and for some reason it was just too much, okay? And that is none other than Dark Purple. Oh, from Montel. You all know I love this fragrance now, okay? I get compliments on this fragrance each and every time I wear this, okay? I don't know if it was just too hot or shaking and baking, but it was too much, okay? And I almost choked somebody out with this, okay? This was so heavy. So it did not work out for me in the heat in the summer. This might be good for like inside a date night, but she was not a goer on the outside, okay? This is definitely a inside event type of fragrance, but unfortunately, this Plum Rose Musk beautiful fragrance did not work out for me in the streets for the summer. Next up, we have this citrus green, kind of a fresh, spicy citrus fragrance that I normally wear to bed, okay? Normally give this a bed scent and we call it a day. But I wore this fragrance to the gym and it was a little too soapy for me. I did not like it. I don't know if it was the aromaticness in it or what it was, or the greenness in it, the spicy, I don't know. But it just did not like me at the gym, okay, in the summertime. So I'm talking about none other than Tiffany & Co. Love, okay? I know you all haven't seen this in quite a while. You're like, girl, where has this been? This is such a great fragrance that I love, absolutely love, adore wearing to bed, right? I love it. It just gives me like this fresh, soapy, fresh out the shower, kind of like I took a really great bubble bath, right? I really just indulged myself, right? With some self-care. I love this fragrance, but I decided, okay, you know, let me wear this to the gym for the summertime, in the summertime. Okay. Come on, sit back and okay, anyway. I'm thinking I'm wearing this in the summertime to the gym. Yeah. It was too spicy and too soapy. Like it was giving no. It was giving a lot of no's and red flags, and I did not enjoy her at the gym, and I stopped because I was trying to put a dent, right? I'm trying to love on my collection, putting, really focusing on my collection for the summer, right? And I'm trying to put a dent in it. I'm like, yeah, okay, let me, this is normally the bed, but let's go outside. In the gym outside, no. I didn't like her.
Hated it.
So, needless to say, I will not be doing this for the gym. I think we just gonna go back to the bedroom and keep it simple like that. She just don't need to go outside, especially for the summer. Maybe we'll look at her during the winter, fall season. Yeah, she did not work in that setting. Next up, even though this fragrance worked with a pairing, she was too much by herself. She was just too much by herself. And I'm talking about Vanilla Exclusive from Mancera. If you love a good vanilla, okay? a heavy vanilla, okay? Heavy on the heavy of the vanilla. You like brown sugar, that type of thing. You would love this fragrance, but you would love it more in the fall winter, okay? If you are not new to this channel, you all know that I explored this. This is on my tray. And I explored this because I normally do wear this in the fall winter, but I'm like, summer, I want to just see, does it work? Does it work for this season? I know it's a little bit heavy, but I've had some great times with some of my fall scents that I've tried to explore in the summer. I've had a time, so I'm thinking this is going to be a time too. She said no. She said, not unless you pair me with something fruity. So I did. I paired her with Ocha and the watermelon jam. I paired, and that was great. Then we were fine, right? Lovely for the summer. But her by herself, no. It was too heavy for the summer. And it's been hot. I don't know about you all in your land, but it's been hot, okay? And so this was team too much all by herself. But again, if you pair her with something fruity, then we got a winner chicken dinner. Other than that, steer away, okay? Next up, I have a fragrance I had not explored in a long time, and no, it wasn't on my tray, but I decided to pick her up because it was giving me, it always gives me Princess Jasmine. Anytime I think about this fragrance, it gives me Princess Jasmine. And I was going on a casual kind of date night with my girlfriends. So it wasn't going to be too much, right? I didn't need to do the most for a casual, girls' night out. I didn't have to do that, right? It was not necessary. So I wanted to bring on Princess Jasmine, give a little sexy, but sweet, that type thing. That's what I was going for. Clearly, if I'm talking about it now, that's not really what it is. Okay, but I'm going to tell you what it is. It's Kayali, Elixir 11. I know. I was exploring. Again, I'm exploring my collection, so some of these you haven't seen in a while. This rose, apple, patchouli, amber type of fragrance. I thought, and Jasmine, I thought that this was going to do something for this summer. And I'm like, okay, it's going to give me like this kind of, diva, but not trying too much. It's kind of what I was going for. Like Princess Jasmine, diva, subtle, sexy, but still a princess, still a diva, right? It didn't happen like that. And I was maybe turned off by the patchouli in it. I don't know what I was turned off by, but I didn't like it. Now, those that were around me, they, oh, you smell good. And it was almost one of those like, oh, you're so nice. It's like when somebody compliments you on your hair and you won't got your hair done. And they don't need to compliment you on nothing because your roots and everything is showing. But they so sweet. That's so nice. And you're like, girl, I got these rags on my hair for a reason because I don't got my hair done. But you so nice. It's so nice. It was one of those. My friends were complimenting me and it was, y'all were so nice. I love my friends. Y'all so nice. Nah, I didn't like it. I didn't like it on my body. It was so stuffy and it didn't go with the weather and But I do like this fragrance. So I don't know if I just need to wait until like fall, winter, like when it's colder, because I've had more success when it has been cold. But I'm just thinking like at nighttime, even though it's summer nights, Princess Jasmine, summer nights, tomato, equal, minus, plus, whatever. Like, I just thought it was going to work. And it didn't. It didn't work.
So you get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
But to each his own. If it works for you in the summertime at nighttime, bravo. Great. It just did not. And so we going to pull her. We going to wait until the coldness comes. And then we going to try again. Because if it does what it did to me outside that I did not like, if it does it to me again, this will probably be one of them things that's going to be decluttered. I don't even like to say that word, decluttered. I don't know nothing about that life. But this might be on the chopping block.
I don't like you. I really don't like you. I really, 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 really want you gone.
we gonna try again in a new season. Okay. Mm-hmm. And last but certainly not least, this is not going to be, you know what? If you are always here with me, you already know. This is not a surprise. I have a love-hate relationship, and she has been showing her butt this summer that she just don't want to be worn. She don't like me this summer. That's just what it is, okay? And I'm talking about Chance from Chanel Eau Fraiche. Yeah. She does not like me. This green citrus, she don't like me this summer. Maybe it's just too hot because normally I'm able to get away with it, right? So maybe I need a little bit of a rainy day. Maybe I need a little bit of some coldness. I don't know. But maybe I just need spring. Maybe I missed her. Maybe she was for the spring, and now I'm in this high heat summer. No. We have not been getting along. Tell him. We have not been getting along for whatever reason, but I don't want to get rid of her because I feel like, again, like there are times where I'm like, oh my goodness, I love this. I smell good. It's beautiful. It's excellent. Ooh, woo, woo, da, 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 da. You know, we just, sing little love songs together. We're good, but we're not good. We're not good at all. Okay. She been showing her butt and I don't appreciate it. Cause she ain't cheap. But anyway, yeah, we just have not been getting along this summer season, and it is what it is. Okay, moving on. Well, that's all, family, for my summer fragrances that just didn't work this summer for whatever reason. Have you had any experience with any of your fragrances in your fragrance wardrobe that you just did not get along with this season? I would love to know. Comment down below. Tell me all the tea. Spill it, sis. Okay? Spill it. Well, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you like this content, and make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.